Hey there. So you're somebody who's deep inside HubSpot. You are using the platform day by day, but you want to know where in the buyer's journey is your prospective lead or contact or anybody else. And you can do all of this easily by setting up lifecycle stage inside HubSpot. And today we are going to tell you how you can set up these lifecycle stages inside HubSpot.
Skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop.
Now let's talk about lifecycle stages in HubSpot. Depending upon where your lead is in the customer journey phase in HubSpot, you can set different lifecycle stages for them. In order to do so, click on Settings, and then on the left hand side, inside Objects, click on Contacts. In Contacts, there's an option called as Lifecycle Stage. Click there. You can configure this and have different kind of lifecycle stages over here. Some of them are pre-provided by HubSpot, and you can also delete those lifecycle stages which don't have any value inside them. So you can delete them, and you can also rename this by clicking on Edit. But you should try and avoid these in case you already have a lot of data, because that can impact your existing reports. So once you do all of this, you can also add a lifecycle stage over here with a different name. Lifecycle stages are crucial in order to find out where your lead is during the customer journey. Depending upon where your lifecycle stage is when a contact or company is created, you can enable these options as well. For example, you might want to set a lifecycle stage to lead and set lifecycle stage when a deal is created to opportunity. And these are few of the pre-made automations that HubSpot provides you with. You can also enable the option to sync lifecycle stages, so a contact's lifecycle stage would be updated in case a company's lifecycle stage is updated, which is related to that contact. So guys, I hope this was informative, and if you are somebody who's new to HubSpot, you can always reach out to us in the comment section below. And feel free to scan the QR code in front of you in case you want a one-on-one consulting call with us, the people here at CTA9, who are more than happy to help and assist you in case you have some awesome projects of your own. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.